Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue learning some vocabulary, yes, and some letters and sounds. Are you ready? Yes? Here we go. Remember, five senses. Yes? Okay, today we are going to practice again the five senses. Touch, touch, hear, hear, smell, smell, taste, taste, see, see. Excellent, very good. Letters and sounds. Here we go. I, I, ice cream, I, island, I, igloo, I, ivy, I, ink. Letter J, ja, 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 juice, ja, ja, jellyfish, ja, ja, jar, ja, ja, jelly, ja, ja, jug, K, kiwi, kangaroo, kite, karate. Excellent. Okay, the, 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 bat, brother, debt, earth, feather, mount, mother, teeth, tooth, father, frog, wave. Okay, excellent. Now we have shadow, shrimp, shoes, shower, shovel, shirts, shirt, sheep. Now we are going to practice some vocabulary. We have lips, lips, and clip, clip. Excellent, you did a great job. And remember, don't give up, okay? And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.